Additionally, we also updated and approved the city's comprehensive development plan, which now serves as the administration's guide in prioritizing infrastructure and social development projects. These plans are not static documents. They are living blueprints for the future of Lawag City. Furthermore, we have successfully formulated sectoral plans that complement both the long-term and the medium-term goals of the city. The Forest Land Use Plan, the Local Shelter Plan, the City Disaster Risk Reduction Management Plan, the City Nutrition Action Plan, and the Peace and Order and Safety Plan, among others. Kastapay, nabayaden tayo iti 2021 ti nabayag nga utang iti kuryente ti syudad ti Inek nga agdagup iti 14 million apo. In 2022, we directly deposited aid to barangays amounting to 100,000 pesos into their barangay accounts. By doing this, we empower our barangays to include these funds in their income, allowing them to use it for their priority projects. In 2023, we increased the equal share of barangays from the City Development Fund from 300,000 pesos to 500,000 pesos, ensuring that our barangays have resources to grow and improve. Furthermore, we allocated a barangay development support fund amounting to 26 million for additional priority projects, affirming our administration's dedication to strengthening local governance and development at the grassroots level. Gapu kadikiti addu, ana aramiden tayo, addu dagiti pamadayaw, anagunod to'y nomoto'y biyang kaskuma iti top-performing mayor based on the non-commissioned and independent survey on the job performance of mayors in the province of Ilocos Norte, which was conferred by the Hypothesis Philippines in January 2024. I was also recognized as the National Outstanding Mayor in May 2024 by the Saludo Excellence Award and Gawat Sinang Festival, which was based on performance, impact of performance and achievement, reliability and effectiveness, and consistency of performance. I was recognized in 2023 by an independent body, the RP Mission and Development Foundation Incorporated, as the second best mayor in Tero Region 1. And later, I was the third best mayor, and recently, I'm the second best mayor again, iti Intero nga Ilocos Region, Apo. In June of this year, we received from the Greater Good Achievers the 2024 Greater Good Achievers Leadership Awards for National Outstanding Humanitarian Leadership, Service of the Year for Extraordinary Commitment to Communities in the Field of Education. And ladies and gentlemen, just 2 days ago, on September 19, the Manila Times conferred on the city of Lawag the award of Safe Haven. We are considered the third safest city, buong Filipinas, Apo. The third safest city. Relevantly, my administration is seriously integrating sports into the life of our youth and students. Physical exercise is good for the mind, body, and spirit. As His Excellency, former President Ferdinand Edulin Marcos used to say, mensana incorporate mensano, a healthy mind in a healthy body. Sports helps to teach adolescents discipline, perseverance, dedication, and accountability. As athletes, achieving goals teaches them the mindset to pursue their endeavors. Sports teaches children to use their energy in life-enhancing manners. To practice sports can even prevent the youth from engaging in such life-degrading activities as drug addiction, teenage pregnancy, crimes, and other debilitating practices. This is the reason why we worked hard in the field of sports, and as a result, Lawag City emerged as the overall champion in the 2024 R1AA meet held dito sa Ilocos Norte for the first time ever in 48 years, Apo. This was a testament to the collective effort of the city government through the local finance committee, the General Services Office, the Sangguniang Panlunsod, the Bureau of Fire Protection, of course, the Department of Education, together with our national and local trainees and coaches that I have collectively dubbed Team Lawag. These are the significant projects and programs and activities of our administration. All are geared to making Lawag City shine more in terms of development and prosperity. Our administration has been driven by a vision of progress that benefits every citizen of Lawag City, regardless of their stature. As we look toward the future, I am proud to announce the formulation of the Shine for You Smart City Roadmap 2024 to 2028, which will serve as the guiding framework for the next phase of our development. This roadmap is not just a strategy, it is a commitment to ensure that Lawag City continues to thrive in this modern world while preserving our unique heritage, local culture, biodiversity, and natural beauty. The Shine for You Smart City initiatives will be the cornerstone of our administration's next thrusts, ensuring that Lawag remains not only a livable and resilient city, but also a dynamic hub for growth, culture, and technological advancement. Together, we will embark on this journey toward a brighter, more sustainable future for our beloved city. To the esteemed members of the City Council, to our fellow citizens, our proposed 2025 budget outlines our strategic vision to transform Lawag into a smart, inclusive, and sustainable city. Our focus will be on harnessing innovation and technology to improve public services, ensuring accessibility and quality health and education for all, uplifting the lives of our marginalized communities, and strengthening our revenue collection to sustain these ambitious goals. Our journey toward becoming a smart city, enhancing health and education, and improving the lives of our marginalized communities is our collective effort. This budget is a reflection of our shared aspirations and our commitment to a brighter future for all the residents of Lawag. I urge all stakeholders, from the City Council members to community organizations to our kailian, to work together in realizing our vision through collaboration, innovation, and strategic financial management, so we can build a city that is smarter, healthier, and more inclusive. Now, Apo, I'm going to digress, and I'm going to talk about the Balikatan exercises that were held here recently. Please listen very carefully. I held the Balikatan exercises here off the sand dunes because I believe that we as a nation must protect our territory, Apo. What the Chinese Navy is doing in the West Philippine Sea, harassing our fishermen, is not acceptable to me. Now, having said that, Apo, please understand, I am not anti-Chinese. I'm simply anti the Chinese government and the Chinese military. Please understand that when our incumbent president, Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos, was the governor of the province of Ilocos Norte, I went with him, together with now the First Lady, Lisa Marcos Araneta, and we traveled to China, to the Shandong province, where we entered into a sisterhood agreement between the province of Ilocos Norte and the province of Shandong. When I was the National Training Director of Team Philippines, when the Philippines first hosted the Southeast Asian Games in 2005, I brought our athletes to train in China. Please understand that now, as the Amati Ciudad of Lawag City, you all know that we entered into a sisterhood agreement with Huangshan City, which is famous for the Yellow Mountains. And please be aware that when I became the Amati Provincia in 2007, that is when the Chinese consulate was set up here in San Nicolas in Ilocos Norte. And I have been friends with all of the consul generals of the Chinese People's Republic. But please understand that what is being done, and please be aware that from Palawan hanggang Ilocos Norte, we are part of the West Philippine Sea, Apo. That has been explained to me maraming beses. And that's why we have secured our shores by having the Balikatan exercises, by having a very large marine contingent here, by having the 102nd Infantry Battalion here. And please understand, Apo, I'm not a warmonger. The world is in a very, very bad place now. You all know this. This is why we must protect our beloved Ilocos Norte, Apo. Saan tayong agsardeng amang padoras iti syudad tayo. We will continue to support all sectors of the society. No one will be left behind. Our administration, Baro Alawag, complements the brand of leadership and the governance of our beloved President, President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos, exemplified in his program of Bagong Filipinas, Apo. To all of you, sang-sang kamay sa tayong arud, amang idoron, iti syudad ti Lawag, tapnon agtultuloy, iti inna, panagranyag, panagrayray, ken panagrimat. To all of you, Apo, I just wish to say to all of you, stay safe. To all of you, Diyos unay tiyag nina, kada kayo amin, Apo. Thank you for listening to my State of the City address. Salamat, Apo.